1B and 1C exercises of circles. Now we are discussing 1D exercise. To learn that exercise, what you need to do is equation of chord of contact you need to know, equation of polar, equation of chord of contact, equation of polar, and one more equation of tangent. All are one and the same. What are the things which is x1 equals to 0? Equation of tangent, equation of chord of contact, equation of polar. All are S1 equals to 0. What is the formula for S1? S1 equals to x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equals to 0. Then you need to remember pole. Pole is the point from where we will draw a tangent to the circle. So that pole equals to minus g plus lr square by lg plus mf minus n, comma minus f plus mr square by lg plus mf minus n. There is a chance you may get 2 marks question out of these. Then points, when points are given with respect to the circle and conjugate is mentioned to you, what you have to do is S12 equals to 0 you have to consider. S12 is x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c. Similar to S1. In S1 we have x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c. And in S12 we have x1 and x2 for x, y1 and y2, g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2. Similarly, when two equations are conjugate is given, points are conjugate, equations are conjugate, two different formulas. Then angle between the tangent, that we will discuss afterwards. First, to find chord of contact, first you should write chord of contact formula. Chord of contact is S1 equals to 0. S1 is x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equals to 0. Now g is equals to minus pi by 2, half of coefficient of x. F is equals to half of coefficient of y and c is equals to minus 2. Then x1 and y1, x1 equals to 0 and y1 equals to 5. So this is S1 equals to 0. We will use for chord of contact. This is equation of chord of contact. Or else if they give equation of polar, we will use same formula. If they give equation of tangent, also same formula. What is that formula? X1 plus y1. From where we will get x1, y1? From the point. G, F, C values from circle equation. Now we have x into x1 plus y into y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equals to 0. This is 0 plus 5y minus 5x by 2 plus 2y plus 10 minus 2 equal to 0. We have 5y minus 5x by 2 plus 2y plus 8. Okay, you can do one thing. 5y and 2y, 7y minus 5x by 2 plus 8 by 1 equals to 0. Then LCM is 2, 2 7s 14y, 5x as it is, 2 8s are 16 equals to 0. Minus 5x plus 14y plus 16 in order equals to 2 0s are 0. You can multiply by minus sign also. 5x minus 14y minus 16 equal to 0 is required equation of chord of contact. Find polar or equation of chord of contact, all are one and the same. What we will do for polar? Same thing, equation of polar we will write. That is also S1 equals to 0, which is x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equals to 0. Then what is g and f from this one? G is equals to half of coefficient of, first check whether any coefficient is there. Suppose 3x square and 3y square is given to you. Divide all the equation, full total equation by 3. Or if there is nothing, no need of division, just take half of coefficient of x. F is equals to half of coefficient of y and c is equals to 25. What is x1 and y1? Point is given to us, that is x1 and y1. Now we can substitute in this equation x1 plus y into y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus of minus 2 is minus 2 plus c x minus 2y minus 5x minus 5 minus 5y plus 10 plus 25 equal to 0. So this is x minus 5x minus 4x minus 2y minus 5y minus 7y. Then we have minus 5. This is 30 equals to 0. You can multiply by minus sign also. So equation of polar, equation of chord of contact and equation of tangent all are one and the same. Find pole. To find pole, what you have to do is we have to write the formula first. Pole formula, quite lengthy formula. You need to remember this. Pole equals to minus g plus LR square. By is only for LR square. Don't take whole divided by. This is LG plus MF minus N, comma minus F plus MR square. Leave some place and write so that you can write divided by LG plus MF minus N. Now, what is G and F? You know the values of G and F. G is equals to half of coefficient of x, f is half of coefficient of y, c is 5, r is equals to root over g square plus f square minus c, that is g square 9 plus 16 minus 5, so root 20. We got g, f, c, r value. Then we have element values also. Element values you have to consider from line equation. L is equals to 3, m is equals to 4, n is equals to minus 45. So this equals to minus g plus LR square, L into R square, R is root 20 by LG, L into G, MF, M into F, minus N, minus of minus 45 is plus 45, comma. Then we have minus F, minus of minus 4 plus 4, plus MR square, M is 4, R is root 20 square, divided by LG, whatever we have taken earlier, same thing, plus 45, bracket close. Now simplification. 3 plus 60 divided by minus 9 minus 16 plus 45. 4 plus 80 divided by minus 9 minus 16 plus 45. This is minus 25 plus 45, 20. 3 plus 60 by 20, 3. You can take 80 divided by 20, 4. 6 comma 8. This is pole. To find pole, what you have to do from the line, you should remember LMF you have to consider G, F, C values from circle equation. we need to show that the points are conjugate. When 2 points are given, we can have the formula points. 2 points are given and conjugate is mentioned. S12 equals to 0 we have to find. So we have show that. So what we have to consider? First we write S12 formula. X1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c. I am not taking equal to 0 because we need to show that these points are conjugate. So we have to get 0. So what is g is minus 1, f is 1, c is 1, x1 y1. This one is x1 y1, x2 y2 from points. So x1 x2 minus 6 into 2. Take in brackets y1 y2 again in brackets plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c. Now this is minus 12 plus 3 minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4 plus 1 4 is 4 plus 1 9 10 11 12 minus 12 plus 12 equals to 0. Therefore points are conjugate. Now we have see why I am explaining this one along with this problem, you will get to know. Find if the 2 points are conjugate with respect to the circle. First thing, they have given circle S equals to x square plus y square. There is no x value, no y value, constant we have taken to left side. Then points are given to us 1 comma 3 and 2 comma k. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. Now we have g value 0 by 2, f value 0 by 2, c value is minus 35. Now S12, since points are conjugate, what they have given? Points are conjugate. If they are conjugate, S12 equal to 0. x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c equal to 0. Here I have not taken equal to 0. Here we need to show that points are conjugate. We have to get 0 here. Here we need to find the value of k. We should take value equal to 0. Now what do we have? x1, x2. x1 x2 1 into 2 plus y1 y2 3 into k plus g into g is 0, so 0 plus 0, then c is minus 35 equal to 0. So this is 2 plus 3k minus 35 equal to 0. 2 minus 35 is minus 33 plus 3k equals to 0. 3k equals to plus 33, k is equals to 33 divided by 3, k is equals to 11. Follow video 2-3 times, you will get this one easily. Find k is given and conjugate is mentioned. Previously also we have conjugate but points are given. Now they have mentioned conjugate but points are not given, equations are given. If two equations are conjugate is mentioned to you, then you have to remember the formula. Lines, these are lines. Lines are conjugate. If they are conjugate, we have the condition r square into L1 L2 plus M1 M2 equals to L1G plus M1F. If you are good at pole formula, you can easily get this one into L2G plus M2F minus N2. Now from where we have to get L1, M1, N1, these are the from lines we have to take L1 first, LMN, first line. Then again second line, L2, M2, coefficient of Y and M2. N2. So these two lines are L1 plus M1Y plus N1 and L2X plus M2Y plus N2. We have to compare the given lines with L1, M1 and N1, L2, M2 and N2. After that, G value we have, G is equals to half of coefficient of X, F is equals to half of coefficient of Y, C is equals to minus 4, then R value root over G square plus F square minus C, that is 3. Now we have the formula R square. What is our 3 square? 9. L1 L2 K into 2 2K plus M1 M2 3 ones are 3. L1 G L1 into G minus K, M1 into F minus 6 minus N1 minus 1 bracket close into L2 G 2 into minus 1 minus 2 M2 F 1 into minus 2 minus 2 minus N2 minus 5. This is 18K, this is 27. Then minus K minus 7 into minus 9. Minus 9, we have multiplied that minus sign inside. K plus 7 into 9. Here we can take 9 common. 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27. K plus 7 into 9. 2K minus 1K is equals to 7 minus 3. K is equals to 4. In this way, you can get these conjugate values. When two lines are conjugate, different formula. When 2 points are conjugate, different formula. So one different question you are going to get from this type. Okay.